since we didn't added a retry mechanism in this work queue. But what if we don't want to go with this? Then we have a simple straightforward process. We will just disable this advanced option, and instead of using the retry mechanism from power to my desktop, we will use this. We will edit the queue and add retry mechanism in here. It should retry once and save it, and let us again run a code. Okay, the record that is already updated as IT exception, let us change it to queued again and run a code. We checked its retry count 0 and again retry count 1.